So the kittens are now at an age where they're pretty destructive. And they're biting everything and climbing everything and ripping everything apart. It's only been the last like 3 or 4 days. So I've been pretty much like watching them 24/7 so that they don't chew through my cords with their razor sharp teeth, which is like one of their favorite hobbies. Anyway, I discovered the bathtub. They discovered the bathtub, actually. It was an accidental happy. So they were playing in it, and like they spent about 2 hours in here yesterday. So I threw a couple toys in there. And it's like their favorite place to be. It's fantastic. There's nothing for them to destroy in there. I had to like I just put the towels up and the shower curtain because otherwise they climb everything. And like it's endless hours of joy for Cricket to watch. I think she sure feels good about herself watching how crazy they are. But yeah, hours and hours of fun in a bathtub. Their claws don't hook on anything, their teeth don't bite into anything. My house is safe with kittens in the bathtub. Who knew? Anyway, they're going to be going to the back to get their vet check, and then they'll be put up for adoption. They're big enough now. They're big enough now to get adopted out. Well, I guess there's a bit of biting, but I think that's pretty safe. Oh, the cute noises, that's what I'll miss. There's something of a hybrid kangaroo cat, I think. Endless hours of fun. Bathtub kittens. Hopefully, wherever they end up getting adopted to, don't leave water in the bathtub. That could be a recipe for disaster.